Attaining Financial Freedom. A pro map out of poverty. Everyone dreams of attaining financial freedom, but no one ever achieved that goal by simply dreaming. Join us as we explore the map out of poverty. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's me again, Sophie, one of Tony's team members. Today we will be discussing a series about attaining financial freedom. How would you like to be rich? I'm sure everyone is excited about garnering wealth. We all want to reach that height of financial freedom where we don't have to worry about debt, our basic needs, and even luxury. But let's face it, how many people achieve this rare feat? A 2019 study by Perkbox on financial well-being revealed that money is the primary cause of stress for Brits. Not just in the UK alone, but around the world. People are constantly struggling to leave the rat race. Unfortunately, only a handful of people eventually reach this goal. So, how do you make sure you are part of this elite group? In this video, Attaining Financial Freedom, a pro map out of poverty, I reveal some often overlooked secret weapons that bring the most significant results. Stay glued till the end to get a bonus tip. Also, this will be a good time to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Let's start. Number 1. It's time for the talk. You cannot change anything until you decide it's a problem that needs to be fixed. That's the sad truth. If you are comfortable at a particular level in life, it will be very difficult to change that level. It's simply because you do not see anything wrong with where you are and how you live. So, why change it? Therefore, the first and most important step to attaining financial freedom is to accept things for what they truly are. Are you happy with your finances? Does your paycheck truly meet all your needs? Can you afford to not work for some months and still have money to fund your lifestyle? Can you confidently say you have reached your financial goals? These and many more hard questions must be answered. You need to talk so you can finally decide to step things up. Number 2. Learn to differentiate wants and needs. One of the hard questions you will face while having the talk is your expenses. Do you need this, or do you just want it? Do you need that car, or do you just want to have it because everyone else does and it's cool? Do you need designer clothes to survive, or do you just want them because they are cool? Needs are basic things you must have to survive. Food, a roof over your head, clothes, shoes, gas, if you need a car, student loan, etc. These are things you need to survive. Wants, on the other hand, are things you simply desire. Because humans are insatiable, you will find out that our desires are never-ending. So, many times, we confuse these desires for needs. They are not. And you have to understand this to accumulate wealth. Take a seat. Make a list of everything you currently spend on and things you hope to spend on soon. Now, group them into needs and wants. Number 3. Budget, budget, budget. With a clear overview of your needs and wants, you should now consider your total income. How much do you make monthly? How much do you spend monthly? Keep in mind that it is very easy to fall off the budgeting wagon. Hence, it's best to keep it as practical as possible. Don't be overzealous while budgeting. This is your reality. Make a practical list of your income and create a budget for unavoidable expenses, your needs. Number 4. Get everyone on board. At this stage, you must have noticed that you have to sacrifice a lot of things. As a matter of fact, you are literally living in survival mode where every penny counts. Truth is, you will need all the motivation you can get to stay in this mode for long. Otherwise, you will find yourself back to your former spending habit in no time. That's why you have to get others involved. If you're married, get the entire family on board. Make them understand the shift in spending and the goal. Make it fun by setting a reward for whoever saves the most at the end of the month. Number 5. Save and invest. Now, it's time to save and invest. You've created a list of your needs and wants. And you have a practical budget to offset debts and meet your basic needs. It's now time to save whatever is remaining of your income and start investing. One truth most people don't know is that you don't grow wealth from savings or salary. No one ever became a billionaire from savings. You need to invest. And as I promised at the start of this video, here's your bonus tip. Get extra sources of income. Let's cut to the chase. Sometimes there is little or nothing left to save after meeting your basic needs. Your best bet to attain financial freedom is to get extra sources of income. Thanks for staying with me. I hope you've learned a lot. For more tips, check out our previous post on helpful tips to attain financial freedom. Let us know which of these tips you are trying next. To create these videos, take a lot of time and effort, so we need your love, comment, like, and share, and we will make sure to create even more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to check our website Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta.com and grab one of our courses or books. Thank you again for watching. And remember, always stay very motivated.